We're just having a look at the rear screen before I carry on with the boot lid, and it is a plexiglass screen, but it's encountered some quite bad scratching. So I've just done a test piece, as I'll probably show you on the video, and that seems to have made the world of difference. We're not going to be able to get every scratch out because it is quite bad, but I'm sure we're going to, well, I know we're going to improve it because this side's already improved. So we're going to crack on and get the rear screen done, and then I'm going to wet flat the rest of the boot and see if we can improve it, because there's some bad marks in it and we need to remove what we can. So we'll crack on with the window, get that done, and then we'll show you some more. See you in a bit. Going to try some of the defects now to show you what we're trying to get out with this lacquer pop all over the paint. Also, there's some bad scratches, and if I can get the light right, you can see the sort of scratches that we're dealing with. They're quite big, quite long. And then I'll move over to the side I've just wet flatted and give its first big cut. This is just off the initial cut, so you can see the flaring still, but we've managed to get the pop out and the scratches out. So I'm going to wet flat this side now and cut that, and then we'll start refining. Sounded like an American then, didn't I? Refining. But yeah, it's gonna look a damn sight better once this is done. I'll see you soon. Well, the right hand side of the boot is now ready for final refining, which will be done after I've just wet flatted this side up to 6,000 grit, and once this is to this standard, it'll all be finished altogether. But we've now got the rear window. Wasif has made a nice job of polishing that and got most of the scratches out, and now looks a treat. The roof panel, the bar and the roof, all looking lovely. So we're getting there. It's slow, but we're getting there. Thanks for watching. Well, it's ready to be refined now. This is after cutting it back and getting the flatting marks out of it, but it is getting very, very close to what I want it to look like when it's finished, because I want the car to look like flowing water.